Hey guys, what is up? Stefan Dude here, out back at my house. Not much going on, just updating you guys on the thunder, lightning, rain, storm, or whatever. I try to make these short and sweet due to the fact that it's lightning and I'm standing by glass. And I'll try to get good streaks or whatever on camera, but I can't. Anyways, that was frightening. Anyways, I'm going to try to stretch this out 2 minutes instead of like one in the last video where it started pouring down rain. But you know how it is. There's some good brightness here. Ooh, pretty. I got that one. Also, I'm gonna try to do a video on Grand Theft Auto later. Maybe later tonight if I'm still up. Which I probably won't be. I don't know. My NBA 2K14 finally finished downloading. I might do a video on that and how crappy I am. Because I'm not much of a basketball person, but graphics, the music, the game's good. Which sucks that I won't be able to play the music due to copyright strikes or whatever's going on with YouTube. But I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, subscribe, share on any social media network like Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, if anybody even uses that anymore. Any social media network. You can follow me on Twitter at StephanDude2. And I shall see you guys later, maybe in an NBA 2K14 video. But hope you guys enjoy your day, night, evening, whatever time of day you're watching this video. But like I said, don't forget to comment, like, favorite, subscribe, share on any social media network, and follow me on Twitter at StephanDude2. And see you guys later.